Early start this morning for the pass. Got a lot of driving to do today. Got to see a lot of places. I'll put my chest cam on so you'll have the view from me riding. But yeah, this is us going now from... Where are we? I don't even know. Hoi. We're in Hoi. And this is us now travelling down to Hoi An. And tonight in Hoi An we'll have a mansion kind of villa thing to look forward to. So yeah, get ready for today. They gave me the bad boy bike. Faster than all the others. Just stopping for petrol now and then on the road for the Hoi An pass. Minor stop because someone's bike didn't work, but we should be back and running soon. Yeah. Oh man, that was miserable driving in the rain. But this is wonderful. This is a An Bang cemetery, otherwise known as the City of Ghosts, and they just have brilliant tombstones for their whole families to be buried together, and it just goes on for ages and ages. Just goes on for ages and ages, and each one is different. They're beautiful. It's really interesting to see the difference between the more western cemeteries and like these traditional Vietnamese graveyards. Like it just goes on, and each one is an art piece. haven't been to many graveyards back in Sydney, or even really where my relatives are buried. But what I do know is that they have more of an eerie feel, for me at least. Whereas this place, there's something quite peaceful about it, and they seem to really celebrate the lives of their family members. It's beautiful. These would cost so much to build as well. So like you can see, even in this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 people buried, at least. And then like a palace to surround them. I've never been anywhere like this before in my life, and it just goes on and on. I'm thankful to see this this kind of part of Vietnam. And I hope this isn't disrespectful as well, filming this, but I feel like it's more, I'm being more appreciative of where I am and how beautiful these tombstones almost are. But anyway, I think I'll head back now. We still got a few hours of riding until we get to Hoi An. But there'll be more stop-off points. This is definitely a highlight for me though. Although I didn't like riding in the rain, but it seems to have cleared up now, so hopefully no more rain, fingers crossed. And we got a good day planned. Just wow, man. And that was wonderful to see. I got so lost. Like I came out down there somewhere and my riders are back there. I'm not sure where we're going next. It might be just a viewpoint. There's a few beaches, but it's not the right day for a swim. But that was breathtaking. That was really beautiful. I'm glad I got to see that. Like once again, it just felt like more of a celebration of the people's lives rather than just a remembrance. So it's cool to see the difference in cultures and how that applies to things like this. That was the driest viewpoint I've ever seen. So now we're just kind of skipping that because we couldn't really see anything. And now we're off to some place on the actual Hoi An Pass where we can get some food. Finally, the rain has stopped, man. I'm completely miserable now. Man, that was such a mess. That has completely ruined my mood. I'm absolutely soaked. Ah. Fuck this, man. I've got the world's shittest fucking poncho in the rain.
I'm completely wet.
Yeah, I'm completely soaked.
Yeah. So annoying.
I don't know if the audio is good anymore because it was that wet. Oh, this is supposedly like an attraction, you know. On a good day, you'd go for a swim here. My new jacket is completely soaked. My pants completely soaked. My skin is completely soaked. Fucking hell. that's that. We made it. We're in, well, I'm in Hoi An now. My spirits are a bit better than before because it stopped raining, and the actual Hoi An Pass is like what we did after lunch. So that's where we went through, kind of up and over the mountain, and that was beautiful. That was so much fun to ride because it wasn't raining. So like if anyone's looking at this and thinking of doing it, I'd say definitely do it if you have good weather, especially in summer. Like you can stop off at beaches and stuff, but oh, that 15 minutes where it was bucketing down was probably the most miserable part like of my whole Vietnam trip. So yeah, that's Hue to Hoi An via the Hoi An Pass. I'm in Hoi An now. Not sure what kind of video I'll make for here, but I'm posted up in a villa for about 5 days, which should be nice and relaxing. And I definitely need a shower because I'm damp. And yeah, that's that. Hope you enjoyed.